All right, fans, let's bring our fighters out to the stage at this time for this super middleweight attraction. First from Fresno, California, in his 22nd professional bout, please welcome Madman Marcos Hernandez.
Yo le compré un caballo al pana mío que se llamaba Diplo. Y ahora andamos
The champ is here. And his opponent, fighting out of Boca Raton, Florida, by way of Flint, Michigan. Here is the former two-time super middleweight champion of the world, Anthony the Dog DIRRELL. And let's bring our fighters to the scale at this time. 10 rounds of boxing, super middleweight attraction. Weight limit on this fight is 169 pounds. First to the scale with a record of 15-4-2 with 3 knockouts from Fresno, California, Madman Marcos Hernandez. 168.5 pounds, 168.5 for Madman Marcos Hernandez. And now his opponent to the scale at this time with a record of 33 wins, 2 losses, 2 draws with 24 knockouts. He is currently ranked the WBC number 5 world contender, the former two-time super middleweight champion of the world, Anthony the Dog DIRRELL. 168.5 pounds for Anthony DIRRELL, 168.5.
Weight is 169. Championship fighter, super middleweight, 168. But I'm ready to give you 1 pound.
There they are, ladies and gentlemen, the co-main event of the evening. Anthony the Dog DIRRELL, Madman Marcos Hernandez. 10 rounds of boxing, super middleweights.